How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I am Aditya Vikram Rai from Alpam Public School, and this school situated in Gola Bazar. On last day, we have learned different topics related to addition and subtraction of bigger number. In this topic, we have learned adding two-digit number without regrouping and adding with regrouping, and adding three-digit number, adding with regrouping and adding without regrouping. And also we have learned subtracting bigger numbers. But today we have to learn, today's our topic is story sums. Let's start. On Monday, 342 people, an example is given. On Monday, 342 people visited the book fair. There are 342 people visited the book fair. On Tuesday, 257 people visited the book fair. How many people visited the book fair in all? That means on Monday, there are 342 people visited the book fair, and on Tuesday, 257 people visited the book fair. And you have to find how many people visited the book fair in all. You have to find the total number of person that visited the book fair. Okay, so what is 342? 342 is the people visited on Monday. And what is 257? 257 people visited on Tuesday. So we have to subtract, we have to add here, because we have to find all. Okay, so we have to add here. So let's start to adding. Firstly, in first step we have to add the ones, that is 2 plus 7 equal 9. 2 ones plus 7 ones equal 9 ones. And after that we have to add the tens, that is 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 equal 9. That means 4 tens plus 5 tens equal 9 tens. And after that we have to add the hundred place, that are 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 equal 5. 3 hundreds plus 2 hundreds equal 5 hundreds. So 599. Our answer is 599. So 599 people visited the book fair in all. Come on, next question. Class 2nd collected empty cans from Gandhi Maidan after the Diwali Mela was over. Class 2nd we collected 309 cans. Class 2nd C collected 489 cans. How many more cans did class 2nd C collect? Class 2nd C collected empty cans from Gandhi Maidan after the Diwali Mela was over. When Diwali Mela has been over, there were scattered many cans in Gandhi Maidan. So class 2nd, any school's class 2nd student collected empty cans from Gandhi Maidan after the Diwali Mela was over. Class 2nd we collected 309 cans, and class 2nd we collected 309 cans, and class 2nd C collected 489 cans. How many more cans did class 2nd C collect? We know that class 2nd we collected 309 cans and class 2nd C collected 489 cans. We can see here that 489 is more than 309. So we know that class 2nd C had collected more cans than class 2nd D. But we have to find how many more cans did class 2nd C collect. So we have to subtract here. That is, 2nd C collected 489 and 309 cans collected by class 2nd B. So we have to subtract here. In first step we had to subtract the ones, that is 9 minus 9 equal 0. 9 ones minus 9 ones equal 0 ones. And after that we have to subtract the tens places, that are 8 minus 0 equal 8. So 8 tens minus 0 tens equal 8 tens. And after that we have to subtract the hundred places, that are 4 and 3. So 4 minus 3 equal 1. 4 hundreds minus 3 hundreds equal 100. Class 2nd C collected 180 more cans than class 2nd B. So the answer is 180. So class 2nd C collected 180 more cans than class 2nd B. Now come on exercise 6.5, that is given in book. Class 6 exercise 6.5. Will you add or subtract? Tick the correct box and solve. will you add or subtract? Tick the correct box and solve. You have firstly you have to tick the correct box and after that you have to solve. Okay, so let's start. Story sums. Manan scored 99 runs in the first inning. Manan scored 99 runs in the first inning and 85 runs in the second innings. How many runs in all did he score in both the innings? Do you know what is inning? आपको पता है कि बेटा इनिंग क्या होता है? इनिंग्स मीन्स होता है जब हम क्रिकेट खेलते हैं तो क्रिकेट में देयर आर टू टीम्स होती हैं और वन टीम जो है वो टॉस करके बैटिंग करती है और दूसरी टीम जो होती है वो फील्डिंग करती है। तो जब प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं तो उसको जब प्लेयर्स पूरे एक टीम के प्लेयर खेल लेते हैं तो उसको वन इनिंग्स कहा जाता है। ठीक है, सो मनन स्कोर्ड 99 रन इन द फर्स्ट इनिंग। इन फर्स्ट इनिंग मनन स्कोर्ड 99 runs and in the second inning Manan scored 85 runs. How many runs in all did he score in both the innings? Then you have to find how many runs in all did he score in both the innings. You know that in first inning Manan scored 99 runs and in second inning Manan scored 85 runs. So you have to find how many runs in all did he score in both the innings. So we have to add here. So we have to tick in add column. And after that we have to add it 99. What is 99? Scored runs scored by Manan. And what is 85? In first inning. And what is 85? Runs in second inning. So we have to add here because we have to find how many runs in all. Okay, so we have to add here. So we have to tick in add column. So 9 plus in first step we have to add the ones. So 9 plus 5 equal 4, 9 plus 5 equal 14 and we have to write here 4 and 1 will be carry over tens column. Okay, and 9 plus 1 plus 8, 9 1 10, 10 8 18, there will be 18. So there 184 runs in all did he score in both the innings. Okay, यानी कि मनन जो है उसने दोनों इनिंग्स में मिला के 184 रन स्कोर किए। थैंक यू। Next, a book has 256 pages. A book has 256 pages. 135 pages have picture. How many pages do not have pictures? We know that a book has 256 pages and 135 have pages. How many pages do not have pictures? So what you have to do here? You have to, there is book has 256 pages. एक book है उसमें 256 pages है, 135 पेजेस है पिक्चर्स और उसके 135 पेजेस में पिक्चर है। हाउ मेनी पेजेस डू नॉट हैव पिक्चर्स, और कितने पेजेस में पिक्चर नहीं है। तो हम जानते हैं वी नो दैट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेजेस आर 256 एंड द पेजेस है पिक्चर्स है आर 135. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 135 फ्रॉम 256. सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. सो वी हैव टू टिक इन सब्ट्रैक्ट कॉलम एंड हैंस वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर. So 256 total number of pages and 135 pages that have pictures. Okay, so when we subtract we have to find, we will find the pages that have not pictures. Okay, so 6 minus 5, firstly we have to subtract the ones. In first step we have to subtract the ones. So 6 minus 5 equal 1, 6 ones minus 5 ones equal 1 1. And now in second step we have to add the subtract the tens. So 5 minus 3 equal 2. Okay, so 5 minus 3 equal 2. There will be 2 and 5 tens minus 3 tens. 5 tens minus 3 tens equal 2 tens. Okay, and now in third step we have to subtract 1 from 2. So 2 minus 1 equal 1. So 200 minus 100 equal 100. Okay, so the answer is 121, 121. Question number third. There are 147 students in a school on Tuesday. 11 were absent. How many students were present? There are 147 students in a school. On Tuesday 11 were absent. How many students were present? There are total number of students are 147 and on Tuesday 11 were absent. How many students were present? You know that, आप जानते हो बेटा कि जब आपके क्लास में अटेंडेंस होता है तो आप देखते हैं कि टीचर्स जो हैं वो अटेंडेंस लेने के बाद बच्चों को काउंट करते हैं कि कितने बच्चे अब्सेंट हैं। और जितने absent रहते हैं उसको टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देते हैं तो उन्हें प्रेजेंट कितने हैं ये पता चल जाता है, ये फाइंड हो जाता है। तो यहाँ पे देयर आर 147 स्टूडेंट इन स्कूल, एक स्कूल है उसमें 147 स्टूडेंट हैं। ऑन ट्यूसडे 11 वर absent, ट्यूसडे के दिन 11 उसमें से absent थे। देन हाउ मैनी स्टूडेंट वर प्रेजेंट? सो वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर बिकॉज वी हैव टू फाइंड अ प्रेजेंट स्टूडेंट, ओके, एंड गिवन absent student. So we have to subtract here and we have to tick in subtract column. And now we have, let's start to subtract. 7 minus 1 equals 6, 7 ones minus 1 1 equals 6 ones, and 4 minus 1 equals 3, 4 tens minus 1 10 equals 3 tens. And now there is not anything behind 1, so we have to write down 1, okay. So the answer is 136. Question number 4. There are 45 yellow roses and 86 red roses in a garden. How many roses there in all? You know that there are 45 yellow roses and 86 red roses in a garden. Okay? And what you have to do? How many roses are there in all? In first step, we have to find how many roses are there in all. So there we have to subtract, we have to add. यहाँ हमें ऐड करना है क्योंकि हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोजेस फाइंड करने हैं, इसलिए हम लोग यहाँ ऐड करेंगे। तो इसलिए 45 और 86 को हम लोग ऐड करेंगे क्योंकि 45 क्या है, येलो रोजेस, और 86 रेड रोजेस, और हम लोगों को टोटल नंबर ऑफ रोजेस फाइंड करना है। सो 45 प्लस 86, सो 5 plus 6 equal 11, and we have to carry over 1 to the tens column, and 4 plus 8 equal 12, and 1 carry 13, so there will be 13, and the answer will be 131. So there are 131 roses there in all, okay. In second, fourth ka second, which roses are less, yellow or red? You know that yellow roses are 45 and red roses are 86, and you have to find which roses are less. So yellow roses are less, so 45 is less than 86, so yellow roses are less. And how many less? You have to find how many less, then you have to subtract. You have to find how many less, then you have to subtract here. So we have to tick in subtract column, and we have to subtract also. 6 minus 5 equal 1, 6 ones minus 5 ones equal 1 1, and 8 minus 4 equal 4, 8 tens minus 4 tens equal 4 tens, okay. So there will be 41, so 41 roses less, so yellow roses are 41 less than red roses, okay. Now that's your homework time. Solve exercise 6.5 in your CW copy and complete your copy up to exercise 6.4. Thank you.